everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special guest. So we're doing a little bit of a haircut because I have never cut hair before. So we're both in for a great surprise. We thought we would just record it because it's either gonna go it's either gonna go really well or really bad. But it's okay. He's just gonna be home, so we're just gonna. I watched Jen Atkins' video on her cutting her man's hair, and I'm just gonna follow the tutorial and hope for the best. Hope for the best. So, if you are cutting your man's hair, or your brother's hair, or your dad's hair, or your grandfather's hair, or whoever's hair you have to cut, take it easy. Little by little. We're in this together. Wait, did you say number 1 first? And then 2? Oh, yeah.
You're the barber. Don't ask me these questions. You're doing a fade.
I'm so nervous.
Oh my god. What did I say yes to?
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, but when we do get here, do you usually wet your hair at the barber shop?
Yeah, they use this.
Okay.
Let's just do the sides. Let's just see how this fade goes first, because I think we might end up having to shave my whole head.
No. You'd rather have a shaved head than an okay job?
If it's okay
you
job,
don't believe in
it's
me.
a win.
You don't believe in me.
You're holding kitchen scissors right now.
Okay, so let's do a before and then we'll do an after and just hopefully this goes well. Spin, spinny, spinny, spinny. Very much needed. Even if I do a bad job, it's gonna be better. So first you want to obviously have your clippers, teasing brush because we don't have a barber's brush, have a comb, and kitchen scissors. These are actually really sharp, hopefully.
We're not getting to those.
Yes, we will. We're gonna try. Hey, we're following Jen Atkins. She's great.
Jen Atkins didn't have kitchen scissors.
She did.
No, she didn't.
Yes,
she
she did. You want to see?
Like arts and crafts scissors.
They are. You believe me now?
But she's Jen Atkins that cuts hair for a living.
Yeah, she did. But I'm cool too, so I'm not that bad.
Okay.
First, we are going to put our guard on, and we're gonna use number 1. How do you put it on? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Let's just do the motion first. You're not going straight up. You're gonna go like a curve like this. I haven't even touched you. All right, let's get this. You're making me nervous.
Okay, go. Let's get this going.
When you're on the first guard, you're going all the way up to temple. And then that's when you're going to switch over to the 2 and then blend that line up. Correct? Correct.
I just like how you're teaching them
Correct!
something you've never done before. Correct!
It's not going to be that bad.
Okay, hold on, dude.
Okay.
What's up, Scott?
I will give you $10 if you give them a mohawk.
$10?
$10? That's it?
No, okay, hold on. Or a bottle of vodka tequila blend, whatever that stuff is.
No, I want money.
Okay,
$20?
She's never done it before. She's never cut anyone's hair before.
Oh my god, seriously?
Yeah.
No, never.
I'll send you a picture or video when it's done.
Seriously, good luck.
Bye.
Back to our scheduled program.
Regularly scheduled program.
Oh yeah, whatever. Going up to the temple, right, babe? Right, babe?
I don't know. I'm not the barber. Neither are you.
Did you always have short hair?
Uh,
Or did you have long hair at one point?
I had long hair in high school.
You should have just grown it out this
When
time.
I was a surfer? No, it looked terrible.
When you were a surfer?
Yeah, when I was a little surfer boy. Don't do that motion. I saw it out of the corner of my eye. You should never do that again.
Surfer did.
You can press down a lot harder on my head too.
I'm scared.
I know, but you're not getting like you might only be doing like a 1 in one area and then a 1.5 because
Oh, I understand. Okay,
You're not
I'll
pressing
go
all the way
harder.
down.
I'll go harder. It's his birthday tomorrow.
yeah,
He's gonna have a fresh cut for his birthday.
with no one there.
So, I think that's good. Just numbed my hand.
Makes me fall asleep.
My hand's so numb. Ah.
I've almost fell asleep so many times at the barber.
Really?
Yeah, start dozing off.
All done. All done.
Don't forget, you need room to like blend it into the two.
I understand. I understand.
You don't even know how to turn it off. You just shortened and lengthened the blade. I just saw
No,
that.
I know, but I just wanted to see how the hair moves on there. Okay, next we're doing the two.
This is the part that is going to decide whether I'm going to end up shaving my head.
You have no faith in me. Next, we're putting on the two, and you leave it short, so that was long. This is short. Short, so on short.
You don't just, you're not going to just like go straight from 1 to 2, right? Like you have to, like these are going to have to get blended in.
So I'm going like this,
Okay.
right? Hey, it looks great.
What are you doing with my ear?
How long was it? Like here?
No.
Like here?
I think it was just like right to here.
Oh, I thought you had long hair maybe.
No,
like
no,
ever? You've
no.
never had long hair?
Uh-uh.
Okay. This was your chance. You would have looked like Jesus. Hey, look at that! That's not that bad.
Yeah, let's get this going. Let's see.
I'm sweating. I'm literally sweating. Are you sweating?
No. I've already got in my mind that I'm more than likely going to have to shave my entire
Why
head.
don't you believe in me? I'm just gonna...
Because would you believe in a doctor if they're asking you how to operate on you while you're under the knife? Like, do you think it's this vein or
That's
do you think
not
it's this
the
vein?
same thing.
Kim, do you think it's this vein or this vein? I'm not too sure. Why are you laughing?
Because I could see the line. Alright, like this side looks better than the other side.
I guess I'll just look at people like this then.
No, that side looks better.
Oh. Hey guys, how you doing?
Okay, stop. Do you cut this?
Yes.
Should I?
Yes. Wherever I don't move it back, wherever I don't do it.
Okay, okay.
I like how my boss called just to see if my hair's been cut yet.
I know, he was like, I'll give you $10 to give him a mohawk. And then I was like, that's it? And he's like, okay, $20 a bottle. And I was like, no, I want money.
You just want to make sure it fades into this thing.
Right, I
this
know.
This can't be super short
I
compared to the top.
understand.
Face of understanding, huh? Asking questions and then saying I understand.
I understand. Did you ever have a shaved head?
Yep, right after I had long hair. Yeah, went from,
You just shaved it?
yeah, I think I went from like a year growing it out to just.
Do you have pictures so we
shaved
can input the pictures?
I actually had pictures when I was 21 and I shaved it. Now that I think about it, I look like a baby though.
There's a line that I need to blend.
Mm-hmm.
What happened? What happened? I have to go back to the first one because I have to blend that line out.
Can I see it? Oh my god.
There we go. I just needed to get that little bit of like that fade. Catch that fade though. You're like, I'm gonna catch that fade after this haircut.
Yeah, you might be catching that fade.
Not that bad. Okay, think I'm done.
Well, line me up now.
Line you up? Okay, I don't know how to do that. I might need to do a little bit more right here because there's a little thing right there. But that's not that bad.
Yeah, I can't really see on this one.
I think I'm just gonna stop because then I'm just gonna keep going.
If you keep going, it's gonna get like shorter and shorter.
Okay, so right now it's gonna be on short, right? Because we're gonna line you up
Yeah.
and without the guard.
Mm-hmm.
So we're doing without the guard, lining him up. So on his neck hair right here, you have to go like this and down. Like this and down. That's not bad. That's not bad. You're falling asleep, aren't you?
This is the part that always gets me.
Hold on, let me brush you off. Thank you, sir. Come again. Wait, can you put... Wait, you're gonna... Thank you, sir. Wait. Thank you, sir. Come again. Whee! We're gonna come back. We're gonna actually do his top here because he usually like pulls it back like this with some gel. Oh my god, it's so long. And then we'll see how it looks. But I think I did a great job.
We'll see.
Alright, well welcome back. he took a shower because there was hair everywhere. I'm actually so itchy right now. So I have hair in my shirt too. I don't even know how it got in my shirt, but I didn't do a terrible job. Let's spin. Maybe like that little tiny patch right there, but that's okay.
Yeah, let's just not look at that patch. Or this. I don't know what.
Wait, I'll show them. So the only problem is that his top hair is really long and he doesn't want me to cut it, so it just sticks out a little bit right there. You can see like a little bit, but it's fine.
Quarantine cut.
Quarantine cut. Now give my money.
No.
Do you have anything to say?
Thank you, babe,
You're welcome.
for not destroying my hair.
You're
You're
welcome.
only giving me one patch in the back of my head.
It's only one patch. I did a
One
pretty
patch
great
isn't
job.
too bad.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys are staying home. Stay safe. I know you're going to be back, and I know you love this video, so hit a like, and it really helps me out if you subscribe. It's really fun doing these videos, and I really appreciate the support.
Next week, I cut Kim's hair.
Yeah, no. Bye-bye. Bye.